To reflect who we are and what we hope to build, I am proud to announce that starting today, our company is now Meta. Our mission remains the same. It's still about bringing people together. From now on, we're going to be metaverse first, not Facebook first. And as our new brand starts showing up in our products, I hope that people come to know the Meta brand and the future that we stand for. Building our social media apps will always be an important focus for us. But right now, our brand is so tightly linked to one product that it can't possibly represent everything that we're doing today, let alone in the future. Over time, I hope that we are seen as a metaverse company.